a great choice today with the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, power liftgate, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, cruise control, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.